Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Life After game on your iOS device. So let's get started right away. First of all, from your iOS device, go ahead and open up the App Store, and once you open it up, simply tap on the search box and then type in Life After and start your search. Once you find the Life After game, you can simply go ahead and tap on it and you will see the Get button. Just tap on the Get button and this will begin the download and installation of the Life After game on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when it is done, you will see the Open button, which you can tap on in order to open up the Life After game. Once you open up the game, you can proceed with signing up to create your new account or logging in to your existing account and immediately start enjoying the Life After game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Life After game on your iOS device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.